students. Good afternoon. Hey, hi. I want to see my 8th, ninth, and 10th standard students and those who wants to get to know about the career guidance after 10th and 12th. So let them join everybody. Until that is a hello, hi. Everybody, hi. Good afternoon. This is Atharva Nirale. Wow, very good. Welcome. All of you students, welcome. Yes, hi. Welcome, all of you. Let all join. That means 5 minutes we will wait. Let other students also should join. Then we will discuss about the career guidance. What should be taken after 10th standard. That you can ask. That means questions also. When I have to after finishing my explanation regarding the career counseling, then you can put the questions. That means under as a chat box. In a chat box, you can put the questions right now. Okay. Let's start now. 5 minutes it is over. Only 1 hour the program it will be 11 to 12. So that is children, you are here. So this is the now in the school 10th standard right now. Even 9th standard students also here. You are here 9th and 10th. After 9th and 10th, you don't know nothing. That means where which program should be, which stream should be selected. That the parents wishing is different and your wishing is different, and some friends are going to give the suggestions to you. That means my brother is doing, my sister is doing, I am also taking this one, and you are also following the folks. That means what it is, the friends are going, okay, I am also, I will go. And my mother is saying, father is saying, that means okay, I will go. That means according to father's and mother's wish. But here that means you are also in confusion. Okay, you don't know nothing, that's why you are in confusion. Even parents also in confusion. So which stream should be taken? That means to get the jobs. Otherwise, which stream, which branch will be, that means you are most interested. That you don't know nothing that about that. So that's why this is the career guidance program. Actually, I want to take in the Zoom classes only. But only 10th standard, again I have to take in 9th, again I have to take in 8th standard. It is better to join in the social, that is Instagram platform. So let me discuss about that. If you have any questions are there, you can put in the chat box. Okay. So you are in the school, ahead of this is the major intersection chances are there. That means it is the time your life where you have to got to choose one out of possible. There are 3 paths are there after 10th standard. After 10th, after grade 10th, you are having a 3 paths, that is the science, arts and commerce. That means definitely you are having many people are coming to me that asking, that means ma'am, which stream we have to take, which subject should be taken that after 10th standard. That maybe you are stressing about that, actually you don't know that you really like, or you don't even know which profession you want to follow. You don't know nothing about that. You know that, maybe not knowing, that means really not knowing about that which profession you have to follow. So don't worry about this one. Today's session is the career guidance after 10th and 12th. Okay. So let's go to that, means after 10th and 12th what should be taken. Maybe many students are knowing that one. Maybe parents are who are educated a little bit, maybe information they given, otherwise you are not interested regarding that. Let me explain that one. After 10th standard, 3 streams are there. In 11th standard, if you want to take, that is arts, science and commerce. Okay, so arts, science and commerce. Otherwise, after 10th standard, you can go for the diploma. Otherwise, that means ITI, right? Diploma and ITI. ITI means what it is, Industrial Training Institute. Somebody are going, that means ITI immediately to get the jobs in the market. ITI, that is 1 or 2 years program. It is, that means draftsman, computers and fashion designing. These are the ITI, that is the etc etc. You can get that ITI. Immediately you can get the jobs. That means those who are in needy, immediately you can get the jobs. That otherwise, that means you can go diploma also. See what I am saying. After 10th standard, we can go for the 11th standard, that is you can take the 11th standard admissions, that is arts, science and commerce. Otherwise IIT, otherwise diploma. Diploma is the 3 years program. In diploma also, that means you have to, you can go through the technical, that means computers, electronics, IT, right? So ENTC, information technology. So and also electronics, electricals, IT, mechanical, triple E also. Triple E. Do you know that triple E? Engineering. Huh. Can anybody know that mean triple E? Okay, I'll tell you that. Now in 11th standard that, first of all we will come to know 11th standard arts again. If you are taking that means science stream after 10th science, that is 11th standard science, you can go for that, what is that, PCB, or that means PCMB. 11th standard you can go for the PCB or PCMB. PCMB means physics, PCMB, that is PCMB, PCB, PCM. PCMB means what it is? PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths and biology. If you are taking PCMB, you can write the MS CAT. CAT exam you can write both in the mathematics, means that is a engineering test also you can write to go to the engineering. Otherwise medicals also you can go. If you are taking the PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths and bio, right? And then if you are taking the PCM, only PCM, physics, chemistry and maths. If you are taking the PCM, only you can choose the subject which are that means after 12th, you can go for the engineering only. You can write the CET exam for the engineering side only. Those who have that means PCB, that is the physics, chemistry and bio, they can choose only medicals. Medical side they can go, otherwise science side they will go. That means many medicals, paramedicals and BHMS, BMS, BDS, right? That means for example, the students who are in PCB, otherwise PCMB, they can write the exams. Which exams? CET exams. After finishing the CET exam, rankers, those who are getting in the medicals, means that is the MBBS. If you are getting the MBBS, okay, it's okay, good. That means very few members are going for the medicals, very tough exams it will be. And then if you are not getting the MBBS, next step it will be rankers, low rankers, they will get the BDS, dentist, Bachelor of Dentist Science, okay, BDS. And then what it is, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy Science, okay, BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Science, okay, BHMS, BAMS, BDS, MBBS. After, if you are not getting MBBS, then you will get the BDS, BHMS and BAMS. This one you can choose any rank should be, that means lesser rank if you are getting that, okay. In engineering that these are the students who can write PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths and biology, those who are taking. And those who are taking PCB also can write for the medical. PCMB, PCB, these are the students, they can write the exams of medical. PCMB students, both, though two ways are there. They can write the medical also and they can write the engineering also. That means to go to means Bachelor of Engineering. Okay, that is what is that called? BE in computers, BE in technicals, BE in what is that, BE in IT, BE in electronics, BE in electricals, BE in mechanical. A lot of means you can get that over there in BE, Bachelor of Engineering. After 12, that is a graduation. Okay, so this is the over medicals over, and then what it is, medicals over, and then engineering side is also over. If you are not interested in this field, you can take that means those who are finished, the science students can get the means in a graduation, other graduation programs are there. That means BCS, BSc, BCS, BSc and BCA, BCS, BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, BCS, Bachelor of Computer Science. Then even that is a science field, it is over. We will come to the commerce field now. After 10th, if you are taking the science, these are the fields are there. Science if you are taking, after then science you are taking in 11th standard and 12th standard, what exams are there and what courses, that means you can join, what entrance examination. Now I have finished now. Then we will go to the commerce entrance commerce. Those who are not interested in the science field or mathematics field, you can take that means commerce. That commerce you have to take the commerce banking system and all that. It can come statistics and all this mathematics comes that accountancy like that. So commerce, these are the commerce. If you are taking 2 years in 11th and 12th, you can take the BCom, means Bachelor of Commerce again. So you can take that one, and many most other after finishing that BCom also. Children, again let me come back. After finishing the science and mathematics, you are having that not only in the MSCAT, you are having a NEET examination also, National Eligible Entrance Examination. This is the NEET examination. You can write the medical aspirants, those who wants to go MBBS. This is the national level. CET is state level, Maharashtra state level. And then medical and that is the NEET examination is the national level. That is the medical aspirants, those who want to write the examination to get the colleges in the national level, not in Maharashtra level. That is called that a NEET exam, National Eligibility Entrance Test. That is MBBS. You can get the seats, that is MBBS. Low rankers will get the BDS. Again, that means BHMS, BAMS, and BUMS. Even in the CET also, as well as in the NEET examination also. These are the for the science examination. NEET also. Okay, this is the medicals. And what about that means in engineering part? That is a PCM, physics, chemistry, and mathematics students. They can write the CET exam also, and they can write the G examination, JEE, right? Engineering exam. That is a joint entrance examination. That is a BE, BTech, and BE in architecture. They can take that. Okay, and IIT also that it is included, the IIT also, Indian Institute of Technology. This is highest rank colleges are there. That means I think so 8 colleges only that you see that IIT Madras, IIT in Mumbai, IIT Bombay, and these are the institutes are very tough exams these are, and you have to write the entrance and get the exam seats in the IIT. In the IIT is the most, whenever that means you have finished that IIT exam, when if you are in the final year of the BE in the IIT, right? Immediately the companies are coming, and immediately that means appointing them. That means the salary will be higher salary, that is in the crores. That means the money will be the crores if you are finishing the IIT exam. Even my daughter also, she prepared, but it was tough. That means so that's why naturally now she is studying in USA. Okay, children, first of all it was there, and IIT it was there 8 colleges only, top colleges. Now 23 colleges shows, that means in the Google. Okay, next one, NIT exam also you can write. BITS Pilani also you can write. BITS, BITS Pilani. Okay, that is PCM students, you can write BITS Pilani also. BITS exam also. NEET examination of medical for medical students. First of all, let me say, for the medical students, NEET examination, National Eligibility Entrance Test also they can write. MSCAT also they can write for the medicals. Otherwise BDS, BHMS, BAMS, agricultural, yeah, something, that means you can go that after finishing the examination. And then the mathematics students, those who are PCB students, they can write MSCAT exam also. Otherwise IIT exam, otherwise that means G exam, JEE G exam. And these are the exams you can write to go to enter, get the seats of BE, BTech, and technology, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering. That means for 4 years program after 12th. Those who are entered in the diploma, 3 years diploma program, after 10th standard, 11th and 12th, if you don't want, you can join in the diploma 3 years diploma program. That is 3 years. After finishing the diploma, you can join again in the BE or BTech directly in the second year. Okay, after finishing 3 years, you can directly join in the engineering second year. But some entrance examination also there, and you have to write the examination and then you can join that. What are questions? You read that along.
Air Force officer, which field should I choose?
Okay, Air Force. NDA exams are there, children. If you are write the NDA exam, after 12th NDA exams are there. All these forces, that means National Defense Forces are there. Then you can go through that NDA exams. You can get, that means Air Force also, Navy also, and then many forces are there, and all are included in the NDA only, NDA exam. So if you want to be an Air Force officer, you can do that, means NDA exams. So we can ask, that means, ma'am, what we have to do after 10th? Children, after 10th, you have to choose which field you are interested. So which field you are interested, you can have to choose. Otherwise, which field, if you are not interested, if you want to earn the money, then which field is the highest field in the market? Not interested. But whenever you are having the passion, interest, then you can get over there, top position. If you don't have an interest, but only the to earn the money, only choosing that one, this is the in the market highest place. If you choose that, we can get the jobs only, the forcefully you can get the job also, you can finish the courses also, but you are not putting the heart and mind and the soul and everything that means in that job. So which subject if you are interested, then you can go through that. See the questions I'm asking. Children, you can ask the questions right now. You can ask the questions now. Okay, one more thing. If you have completed graduation, means in the Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology completed, after 12th you are taking the admissions, for example Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, whatever that is 4 years program completed, you have to go in abroad, America, Australia, otherwise Russia. If you want that, our students are studying in Russia also, somebody, and then I posted in the Facebook also, for the MBBS she is doing that, means Asavari Unone. And then if you want to go abroad, you have to write the GRE exam after finishing graduation, and you have to write the TOEFL also for the English proficiency, that is TOEFL also and GRE exams. Even my daughter also have written that, means GRE and TOEFL exams, and further to get the in the American university, otherwise London also if you want to go, and otherwise Australia, yeah, something Russia, yeah, somewhere else. Even in Russia, MBBS programs are very cheap now. We can go to get that, means in India very costly, that is 50-60 lakhs like that way for the private management quota. If you want to go, that means you can go to the Russia, that means very cheap programs are there in MBBS to complete that. If you are getting in government seats, it's okay, good and well. But if you are not getting MBBS, that is 70-80 lakhs, yeah, 1 crore, I don't think so. That means according to college they are charging. So if you go for the Russia, that means medical profession, that is good. That means I am suggesting that, because our student, former student, ex-student, she is doing that right now. So you can ask the questions. What is the question? You can read that. Some questions are there. Integrated. What integrated coaching, children? Somebody are asking what integrated coaching, you ask that. Techno hangout. Who is that? Means we have to take science to Air Force. For the Air Force, after 12th science, children, then you can choose the NDA program. Okay, and somebody are asking integrated coaching. What about integrated coaching? Which one? Can you specify that? Normal college for 11th standard, integrated or integrated coaching? See, normal colleges are there, children. For the government colleges, that is Bitco college is there, RYK is there. For the commerce and science stream also, BYK is there, KK WAG is there. And then private colleges, many private colleges you are having. Integrated course means I didn't understand. PCMB. See, the better college I told you, children, and private colleges also you are having. We are also opening next year that 11th and 12th in Manur. Scottish High International School, 11th and 12th standard next year also. How to get the job in abroad? Children, what I said, first of all, to get the job in abroad, you have to complete the career in the abroad only. That is, for example, in America if you go, and London if you go, you have to complete the course in abroad. If after completing your graduation, after completing your BE, see 4 years graduation, 4 years anywhere, that means 4 years graduation has been completed, you can write the exam. For example, medicals also is there. That is one thing, it is that GRE is for engineering graduates. For medical graduates, FMGE, what is that? Foreign Medical Graduation Exam. After that, you can get the seats in the American medical colleges and London medical colleges, like that way. London, it is different. It is it is applicable to all. So you can write the exam. And somebody asking to see the questions.
CSC exam. Which field for CSC exam? Civil services exam. Which field?
Children, arts is the best field for the CSCs, civil services.
CSC.
Civil services exam, arts field is the best, because I have done that BA English and BMA English and BEd also. I tried, that means to write the IAS exam. So it is better if you want to do that, means that is arts format if you are taking. why it is? Because arts is the covering all the subjects which are, that is political science, history also, Indian history. I took that American history that time, because I completed that in first year and second year Indian history, and final year option American history I took. You can take all Indian history only, because in the IAS exam, MPSC and UPSC, if you want, that means Indian history only coming. And even geography also then we can choose that. Even statistics also you can choose that along with the history. Even geography, statistics, political science, that means all these are coming in the civil services exam, that is UPSC and MPSC exam. After finishing that graduation, anybody can do that one. Now the options are there: BA, BCom, BSc. Those who have completed, anybody can write the UPSC and MPSC exams. If you want to becoming IPS, that means UPSC, MPSC, IPS, Indian Police Service, that means Commissioner of Police, like that way. And then IAS, Indian Administrative Service, that is the collectors, those who are becoming a collector, if you want to collector, district administrative officer. So these, if you want to become that one, BSc, BA, BCom also okay. Even engineering graduates also, you can write. You have to prepare yourself, choose the subject and prepare thoroughly that subject from 9th standard onwards. Even from 8th standard, basics must be perfect. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, graduation, till graduation, that means entire study deeply. If you go, immediately you can crack the exam, that is the UPSC and MPSC exams, anywhere you can get, because these are the basics. So somebody are taking only directly, magazines are taking, and then newspapers are reading and writing the exam. No, nothing at all. You have to write, that means take the subjects are from 8th standard basics. That means, for example, if you are option taking, that means in the entrance examination, what option if you are taking, for example, history, you have to study the history from 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th until they graduate. That means 3 years. All the subject from basics to end. Indian history, everything you have to read. Even not only Indian history. And then enter, that means in the Indian history, all that states also, history also covering that. So you have to read like that way. And even IAS also, IPS also, the last year also we discussed like that. Now also I am discussing it because you are the new batch. Okay. What about UPS and MPSC? If you are preparing for the UPSC and MPS also easy, the same, the subjects will be the same and you can write. And even the civil services, if IAS and IPS, if you are writing, that is that means NCRT subjects you can read. Deep subjects means, that is we are having SCRT, means state syllabus we are having right now. We are studying. If you are studying NCRT, National Council, that means research, that means NCRT subjects are there, that is CBSE subjects. You can go thoroughly from 8th standard to BSc, BA third year, that means till 15th year, that you have to complete all thoroughly from basics to end. You have to read and depth go, that means deeply. Then you will crack the exam in the prelims also, mains also, and interview also. Interview you need any communication skills are most important. That means right now, when my time was there, when I wanted to write the IAS exam, I wanted to become an IPS, but my time only Hindi and English, two subjects chosen, that was the options were there. Right now you are having many subjects are there, many subjects means, that is mother tongue also you can choose to write the exam. You are in Maharashtra, for example, you are comfort to write the exam in Marathi, you can write the Marathi also in Marathi also. You can choose that. If I am Telugu, for example, I can choose Telugu also. That time there is no regional languages. Right now the regional languages are there to write the exam of MPSC and UPSC. Right? So you can choose that, English, Hindi, Marathi, any regional languages that you can choose and write that. Okay?
Which college is best for commerce?
For commerce, that is BYK.
BYK.
See children, that is in Nasik, everybody behind of the BYK. If you are not, that is a government college. That means 3 rounds will be. In all colleges, all subjects, 3 rounds will be naturally. And other 3 rounds, it will be special rounds, it will be. That is under the quota, that is the caste quota. First 3 rounds based on your merit only. 10th standard, how much percentage you are getting, based on that merits only that you are getting the seats. And BYK is the best college, that means old college it is. Afterwards many other colleges also, that means Bitco college is also there. KTHM also. See, after BYK, KTHM is also good. KTHM also, that means commerce. in Nasik. Okay, and see, if you are not getting these are the two colleges in Nasik, and in Nasik Road Bitco College is there. After finishing, these are the government colleges under the merit you are getting. So don't take tension at all if you are not getting under the merit. What you do that, you can option, that means other colleges also, Bhatia College, something other colleges you are also, Panchavati College, these are. If you are getting not there, you are having an option for the private colleges. Private colleges also, that means what? Many colleges are also there. Children know that. You can, what you do that, if you are not perfectly not satisfied with the colleges, government colleges, private colleges, if they are not teaching, you are having an again on the courses are there outside, that means private classes are there, you can go that one also.
Someone is asking what do we have to do for Merchant Navy after 10th? After 10 Merchant Navy, what we have to do for Merchant Navy after 10th?
Okay, Merchant Navy after 10th. Navy, if you want to go Navy, very good children. So candidate should be citizen of India. So the candidate should have to be unmarried, both male and female. The eligibility for joining the Merchant Navy is finishing 10th standard, 10th with physics, chemistry and mathematics. So after 10th you can go for the Navy. But you should not get married. The candidate should have normal vision. Vision also means eyesight should be good. But glasses up to plus or minus 2.4 may be allowed. मीन्स किसी को साइट है, आँख दिखता नहीं तो 2.5 तक चलेगा नेवी में. Admission is done through the entrance examination. Navy entrance examination of 10th standard you are having. You can go through that and write the ND exam, Navy exam, and then written examination. After the candidate clears the test after finishing, you have to go for the interview and medical test also. After finishing the entrance examination, go for the medical test also, and interview also, they are taking the interview also. Applicants are required to complete a ship training course. You have to complete the ship training course prior to employment. आपको कोर्स रहेगा आफ्टर बिफोर फिनिशिंग दिस वन, शिप ट्रेनिंग कोर्स इट विल बी, देन द एम्प्लॉयमेंट विल बी, देन द जॉब विल बी गेटिंग दैट. This is a generally short-term course where the candidates are taught basic security concern and using. So basic security concerns will be basic security, how to get the security, and then traveling. Using means traveling in the ships and all that. They are teaching you that, in NDA. Now it is declared the next one. Anybody having any doubts? You can ask the children. Children, you can the BSc, BA, BCom. Not only that, you are having BBA also, Bachelor of Business Administration, BES also, right? BMS also, Fashion Technology also. After finishing the 12th standard, you are having many courses that you can do that. So put the questions now. Ask the questions. Anybody ask the questions? Ma'am, for becoming a pilot, which field should I choose? Pilot you want to become? Bachelor of Aeronautical Engineering. Children, in BE, in BTech, means after finishing the 12th, you have to write the CET exam. Otherwise, that means an IIT exam, GEE exam. You can write the entrance. After finishing that, you can choose that Bachelor of Aeronautical course. That one engineering only. That is also 4 years graduation program. NDA exam it is after 12th. So 17 years must be completed. NDA exam should be written, and you can get the commercial pilot also. That means license you can get, and salary you can get 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs per month. Very good. So pilot training, but pilot training 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs courses it is there. Even government also giving. If you are going to government courses, I don't think so this much lakhs will be costly, right? Government college, I don't think so this much charging. These are the private coaching, pilot coaching, it will be in 15 to 20 lakhs. If you go for the BE in aeronautical engineering, it is best to go for the aeronautical field.
What is the procedure to be a CA?
CA, procedure to become a CA. See that one I told you, commerce, you have to take the commerce in 11th and 12th standard, and BCom you have to complete. After finishing the CA exam, For the CA exam, you have to complete the entrance examination also to further get the CA. Children, see what I am saying. If you are taking the commerce, go for the BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, and then again the entrance examination are there. Then you have to get the common, that is a CA. CA means Chartered Accountant. First step, you have to start a CA course through the CPT route. What is the CPT route? After passing 10th. After passing 10th, you have to go through the 10th standard CPT course, it is there. Then registration for Integrated Professional Competency Course, IPCC. Step 3, next one, articleship. Step 4, registration for CA final course. These are the courses are there. Children, this is the long process, whatever I read. What you do that after finishing the graduation, means BCom, you can write the CPT entrance examination, directly you go for the CA course, you can do that. How many years it is CA course? 4.5 years CA course it is there. Chartered Accountant, 4.5?
Yes, ma'am.
4.5 years it is there. So means 4 years after finishing the 4 years, you become a Chartered Accountant. So what you do that Chartered Accountant again? Audits you have to do, that means
Accounts.
companies.
Accounts.
Accountant you have to be, will become, right?
Please let me know more.
Please let me know more about competitive exams. Children, many competitive exams are there. See, after 10th also you are having a competitive exams. See that after 12th standard, you are having the
Banking.
banking exams are there. So you can write the clerical exams are there. Maharashtra clerical, that means secretariat exams are there, right? So after 12th you can write the trains clerical, ticket clerical, even railways, accounts clerical, junior clerk, okay, assistant loco pilot, commercial cum ticket clerk, typist, secretariat. So you are having many like this way. After 12th standard also you can write the government exams to get the clerical field, maximum clerical field only, that is a grade 4 employees, I think so, grade 4 employee. So grade 4 employees, not officers. 12th standard, after 12th standard what exam, what you are getting, that clerical only, right? Clerical, typist and all that, government exams you are having. Right now I told you that which are there, junior clerk, accountants, okay. Even after graduation also you can write down. After 12th, this is the basic qualification. Railways, after 12th, railways are there, staff selection commission, jobs after 12th, banking, insurance, government, okay. Defense also you are having, children. Defense also you can go after 12th. Okay. Next, any questions?
Ma'am, I have fashion designing, so which course should I choose? This one.
Fashion designing.
Fashion technology.
Fashion technology. National Institute of Fashion Technology having, and even see, simple courses are there in fashion technology. For example, 6 months course also there, and then 1 year course is also there, and then 2 years course also there, 3 years diploma course is also there, fashion technology. ITI also, that means fashion technology is coming. That is depends on you, that means which one. That is a qualification also different. If you are going for the 6 months means 10th standard also based also you can do. And if you want to, that means 12th standard base, that means you can do 2 years program of fashion technology after 12th, completing 12th. So that is the National Institute of Fashion Technology, it is there, NIFT. Then you can go thoroughly, if you want to go thoroughly the graduation level, that means it is better after 12th level, you can do that, means 3 years diploma program of the fashion technology.
I want to be a bank manager, so which course should I choose?
Okay, banking exams are there, children. After finishing the banking exams, you have to put the graduation, any field graduation, BA, BCom, BSc, and you can go for the MBA, management, means Master of Business Administration. Then you write the banking exam, you can go for the management, you can go as a manager, that means for example, assistant manager, first post it will be, then senior manager, then they will do, that means layers are there, then you can go through that. First of all, you have to complete any graduation, BA, BCom, BSc, then do the MBA, then you can choose that. Otherwise, BBA also you can do, Bachelor of Administration, then MBA you can do, and write the banking exam, then for the manager exam, then you can go, that means as a manager, even not only in the banking exam, bank manager should be anywhere. MBA, after finishing the MBA, anywhere you can become a manager only, that means administrative field only you can go through that. Even I have finished that MBA.
I want to be a Marcos Commando.
Marcos Commando. Are you searching the internet and asking me the questions? So, what do you mean by the Marcos Commando?
Marine Commando, ma'am. Marine.
See, candidate can join the Indian Navy. You have to join the Indian Navy as a sailor. Okay. Sailor, do you know that means Indian Navy? Navy you have to join. Sailor means, you have to, sailor, that means running the ship and boat and all that. And after that, special forces, you have to, forces are different, in different forces are there. And once they join the Indian Navy, exams like INET exam, then you have to option that, You also, that means join the Indian Navy as an officer through NDA exam, right? Through an NDA exam, you can go as a officer, Indian Navy officer. Otherwise, CDS exam, otherwise INET officer exam, you can do that one to become a Marcos. Understand? Okay. Very good, nice knowledge you are having, children. Come on, carry on. That means very different fields you are choosing that.
Ma'am,
I am proud of you.
Ma'am, what should I do to become lawyer courses?
LLB. Right now we have thinking about that also. See, after 12th also we can having the LLB. All India Entrance Examination. Okay, that is the law. After finishing 12th you can do, that means LLB. AALET, right?
Yes.
All India LET. All India AALET means All India. What is that? Lawyer Entrance Examination.
Yes.
So that you can choose that LLB. LLB means after 12th LLB, it will be 4 or 5 years course, I think so. 4 or 5 years course? 3 years course. 3 years. LLB is a 3 years course, and BL is also there. But LLB is most important, that means to complete after 12th and graduation also they can do. For through IIT. IIT means, for example, you are taking the IIT coaching in a basic course. Here also in the school we used to teach the children for the 8th, 9th, 10th also. We are having the books also, that is a basic course books. And then IIT coaching 8th, 9th, 10th, we are doing, that means, basics. After, when you are finishing, if it is not a basic, you have to join, that means directly in 11th standard when you are taking, that means PCM. IIT you are asking that, Indian Institute of Technology. So PCM you have to choose the course in the 11th standard and then immediately join, that means, in IIT coaching centers. And then you have to practice, that means 2 years. Then after finishing the 12th standard, you write the common entrance examination, IIT examination, that means JEE, like that way. Then you can get the IITs. IITs means very great. IIT. That means we used to call, that means IITians. What is the IITians? These are very high salary paid, that means in industries, that IIT. Very tough examination. I want to make you more, inspire you, that means to write to become an IITs and to go the abroads. Don't think you are a global children right now. Don't think in Maharashtra, in Nasik only you have to do. Go abroad. Go for USA. Go for England. Go for Australia. Go for Russia. I want to see the Scottish and other children, those who are, that means, join here. I want to inspire you. I want to motivate you. You have to be a global children. Don't think like a frog in the well. मैं नासिक में हूँ, मैं इधर अडाव नगर में गली में हूँ. You are not a gully child right now. You are the global child. I want to see you. Even my daughter is also in now, that means in the USA. 2 MS in engineering, she is doing that. And doing the job also as alongside. Even my sister and brother also joined over there. My sister is right now an American citizen. My sister is American citizen. Means 20 years before they went there in USA. Husband is engineering and they settled there, and green card holder, American citizen. My brother is green card holder. Electronics and telecommunications he has done, and then he has got the job in USA and now in a green card holder, and wife is also working. See, entire family, all families, both and wife and husband are working. That means when you are getting a green card. I want to say you, my Scottish children only, not only Scottish children, those who are joined here, everybody I will inspire you, motivate you. You have to be, that means You have to take the goal like that way in the high goal that in inspiration code remove. Okay, any questions are there? You can write that UPSC also, MPSC also. That means, I want to see many children are opting. That means IPSC and UPSC, IPS and IAS to be. And if you are not becoming that, you don't want to be IPS and IAS, go for abroad to get the global child. So you have to believe in yourself. You can, and you are halfway there. Right now you are halfway there. That means where there is a will, there is a way, and definitely that means, whatever you are choosing, whatever you are believing, whatever you are having a passion, whatever you are having a desire inside, means, burning desire you are having that to achieve that, definitely you are going to achieve, children. That many obstacles comes, many means leg pulling peoples are there. Don't be be that means, sad at all. That you have to pull yourself, push yourself to get achieve. That means your whatever you are thinking about that, wherever you want to go. This is the global village. What I am saying, it is a global village, means that entire universe is entire, that means world is like a global village right now. Global village means a small village. When the internet became that, internet means available right now, we are getting a lot of knowledge. We are that means we can communicate anywhere with anybody. Understand? So any questions? How can I? Computer programmer. Okay, children, you have to do that. Means, programmer means after finishing that, many ways are there. After finishing 12th science, you can take the BCS computers also. BCS. After 12th science, you have to take a BCA, BCS, right? Otherwise, after 12th science, you have to write the exam. Which exam? CET exam, PCMB. After finishing that one, you can write the exam and you can go for the mathematics. Those who are taking mathematics, you can go for the BE in computers. What it is that? BE in computers, BE in IT, information technology. Okay, these are the people, those who are, they can make the program. Okay, program means what? You have to write the what is that? Software. The program should be how to operate the computer. Beside the computer, inside that means we have to write the chips, language should be written, how to operate that one. That is a coding. Everything that means, you have to learn when these are the courses you have done that. That means JavaScript it is there, C program it is there, C++ is there. Now many high level languages are there to write the programmer, to become a programmer. Even my daughter also Java program she has learned afterwards, after finishing the MS in engineering also. That means Java separately she has done that. Online also she has learned many, means new programs, new invention are there. You have to update yourself. That means to become an employee of Google, employee of Facebook, employee of internet, employee of what not. That means, many social sites are there. You can become a high paid salary. That means, so get out, make a goal like that way. One day I make a Marcos. Okay, ma'am, I have businessman. So which courses I have to choose? You have to choose the MBA, children. BBA, MBA. Okay, after finishing 12th, Bachelor of Administration. MBA means Master of Business Administration. Which career best after 12th science, BE or BCA? If you are interested in BCA, you can go. Otherwise, in BE also. That means in BE, BCA means Bachelor of, what is that, children? Computer applications. Okay. In BE also Bachelor of means that is the computer science and IT it is there. If you are interested in computers, in BE, IT, BE computers, otherwise BCA also, that means computer applications. Applications means BCS is a science, Bachelor of Computer Science. BCA means computer applications. Applications means whatever it is there. You have to apply from year to year.
How to make app?
Making apps, applying the knowledge, that means to go invent the new invention. Applications are better, I think so. Instead of BCS is for the programming. BCS is a more theoretical, okay. BCA is more practical based. So it is better to go BCA, because when the teachers are joining here, when in Scottish also we are choosing the BCA students only, because we have to make a banners, we have to make any videos, we have to make any online courses, that means online something, whatever it is there, we are opting the teachers, whenever the interview is going on, we are asking the teachers whether you have done the BCA or BCS. Those who are the BCA students, definitely they can quickly operate, that means internet, online, that means social media, otherwise apps, otherwise that means any videos, otherwise that means any app making also they can do that. So it is better to go for the BCA according to me, because many you have having career options are there in BCA. Any other questions?
For
You become a
CBI
marketing knowledge, huh?
For CBI officer, which side should I take?
CBA.
CBI.
Ah. Children after graduation only, that means CBI exams are there, Intelligence Bureau exams are there also there. You can go further. For example, after finishing that MPSC exam, for example API, PSI also means normal, that means sub inspector, and the exams after graduation is compulsory. After 10th you can go for the constable exam also there. Constable, for the constable also you can become, that means after 11th, 10th and 12th. If you want to become in the graduation, many ways are there. You can become in a PSI also, otherwise IPS also, that means you can, many things are there. So when you want to become in a CBI officer, Group A officer it is, and then you have to become an IPS officer by passing the civil service examination conducted by the UPSC. Okay. To become sub inspector in CBI, CBI में sub inspector post के लिए you have to take SSC CGL exam. What it is? SSC and CGL exam. In CBI, sub inspector test, that is tier 1, tier 2 examinations of objective type. These are tier 1 and tier 2 examinations are there to become an CBI officer. That is called what is that called? SSC CGL exam. SSC CGL exam. SSC means not a state board SSC, we are speaking like that. This is separate. SSC and CGL exams are there. You have to write to become an CBI inspector. Any questions? Any questions are there? Become marketing knowledge. Marketing means what it is in MBA only. MBA in marketing, MBA in finance, MBA in finance, MBA in marketing, MBA in HR means human resources. MBA in MBA different fields are there. Whatever you want, that means actually MBA in finance are more. MBA in digital marketing also it is there. Digital marketing. Right now digital marketing is famous. Children, that means social media marketing, digital marketing. So social media, very well all that, children are you are very knowledgeable than us because, social media. So it is not necessary. Social media, digital marketing, that means, marketing are different marketings are there. Product marketing it is there. Digital product only, that means on the digital how to market it is there. Then MBA also is there. Normal digital courses also there in, you can take any graduation level also, right? Any 2 months, 3 months level also digital marketing courses are there. SBA. Officer. Children, after finishing the graduation only I told you. SBA, State Bank of India. Children, after graduation you have to write the banking exam. SBA. And MBA you have to write. SBA exam, in SBI, banking exam if you are writing, government exam, that means you are going to get any field at all. If you want SBI manager is to become an MBA, that means BBA, MBA should be. So for example BE BTech, see customer service analyst जो भी है जो if you want to become in SBI, BE BTech and that means MBA holders you can do. Senior manager level if you want, BE BTech candidates with MBA. BE BTech you have to complete, and then MBA also should be completed. Then you have to become an SBI manager, relationship manager, that is a marketing. So BE BTech candidate with MBA. So all these are necessary, BE BTech and MBA for the management. For the manager you want to become a manager. Otherwise clerical side, something normal examination, that means cashier side, you have to write the examinations are there. You can write the banking examinations to become, that means common. Okay, any questions again? Airman, what do you mean by airman, children? I have to become an airman. Thank you so much, valuable information. Tomorrow, next year, 11th and 12th standard academy. Next year, 11th and 12th academy, we will see that. first High International School, Scottish High International School, Manur, 11th and 12th, maybe next year, that means we are going to start. Airmen के लिए, see that IAF provides opportunity for airmen with minimum 10 plus 12 educational qualification. So if you want to become an airman, you need a 12th standard qualification, 10 plus 2, and 27 below 27 years age. Children, you have to be, that means 27 below 27 years age, 12th standard you have to complete, 17 years should be completed to become a commissioned officer in a army. So the eligibility candidate has to pass the written examination conducted by the Army HQ. If you want to become an airman, you have to write the examination that is conducting by the Army HQ. And passing the exam, they are interviewed by SSB. After first examination also, you are having an interviews also, then you are selecting for the airman. That is, a qualification should be 12th examination. You are having two types of examination, one is written and one is interview. Okay, for the airmen. Okay, if anything completed, now right now the session is over, children. So nice session it is. Many children are so much interested. Okay, still you are having, that means you can ask the questions, whatever it is there. I will motivate you, I will inspire you. That means where there is a will, there is a way, and then if there is a goal, never stop yourself. So to reach the high level, I don't want to see you in the manager level. I want to see you in the leader level only. Wherever you go, for the leader level only, not a manager level. The leader means, and nobody is asked, that means to establish a company, to establish any schools, to establish anything. That means you have to start up companies. You didn't do that. You didn't ask me that. Thank you so much. Okay, children. Nice to see you. Okay, keep the aim. So you must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is, I am going to make it. What it is, you have to say yourself, how hard it is. You must tell yourself, always tell yourself, no matter how hard it is, that how hard it gets, that I am going to get it, I am going to achieve it. I am going to achieve it. You have to say affirmations yourself only, what it is, I am going to do it in a positive tense only. In positive tense, always say that I am going to do that, I am going to achieve that. I mean, this is my goal. Today I have to do this one. These are the things every day. If you are saying, no negativity will be keeping in your mind. You are going to achieve it. So focus on your goals, no distractions at all, no too much social media at all. Focus on the goal only. So if you are sweating right now, you will be afterwards you are getting in a happier life, you are happy and in a proudful. That means society will be looking up to you. That means these are the people, these are the students, wow, these are the man, he has achieved a lot. Everybody wants a target, a goal to you, looking up to you. That means making means what it is called, to follow you. Whatever you say, they will follow you because you are the achiever, right? They are means you are the believer and you are the achiever, you are the goal maker and goal achiever. That means you have to do that. What I am saying, that what I wanted to say, forgot that you must have what it is called, the public should follow you. I want to see you as a leader, not a manager at all. Not in a low level should be settled down. I want to see you that there only. That means in the high level, to look up to everybody. Okay. Thank you so much. Nice session it is. Thank you. Look at the teachers also. Say teachers also. That means in your computer teachers also. They say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Rupali.
Bye.
Okay. Yes.